What's the meaning of all's well that ends well? All's well that ends well. 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 All's well that ends well.
All's well that ends well is a proverb that means if the final outcome is good, then everything that happened up until that point can be considered satisfactory or acceptable. The phrase suggests that as long as things turn out well in the end, any difficulties or challenges faced along the way are ultimately worthwhile. Essentially, the expression emphasizes the importance of a positive outcome, regardless of the path taken to achieve it.